I'm about to go bananas tonight. And the more bananas I go, the more I feel alright.
Put the book away. Giggler, put the book away. Giggler, we need to talk to the audience.
What?
We need to talk to the audience.
What audience? Oh.
Exactly.
Hello. What am I supposed to do?
You're supposed to sing that song.
Song? What song?
The alphabet song.
Oh, yeah. Can I finish my book first?
I brought you out here to sing the song.
Oh, come on. That's not fair. I was reading a book, and right when I get to the best part, you take it away.
Well, I'm sorry, but you need to sing the
Okay, I'll talk to them, but can't I just finish that one page, please?
If you hurry up, okay?
Okay, thanks. I'll never forget this.
Make it quick.
Okay. Oh, this is good. Oh, wow. Who would have thought? No way. Ah! You scared me.
Giggler, this is really silly. We really need to sing that song.
Oh, no, not yet, please. I was almost finished.
But Giggler, we need to get on the song.
But I can't. The story is so good.
But I understand that. And reading's very important.
I know, but it was a classic called Treasure Island.
I've heard that's a good book.
Oh, yes, it is. This guy gets a hold of a mysterious treasure map stolen from an old buccaneer. And he and his friends get on a ship with a bunch of scary sailors. And they set off for Treasure Island to collect the gold.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the captain was Long John Silver, a crusty old pirate. His crew started a riot and tried to mutiny and get hold of the treasure themselves.
Then what?
Okay, there we are on Treasure Island with greedy pirates and all of us fighting for gold, digging in the sand, trying to find the treasure chest, when suddenly,
Yeah?
you took my book away.
I'm sorry. Reading's important, but we need to get on with the song.
It sure is. All of us who read are more successful in school, and you know what that means.
What?
It means reading makes you smarter.
But we need to sing that song.
And good books can inspire you to use your imagination. Why, they can help you figure out what you want to do with your life. Now that's important.
Yes, it is, but we need...
And some books are like watching a movie in your head. When I read a book, I make up what the characters look like. I really love that.
But you can't read till you know the whole entire alphabet, correct?
Right. Every one of those letters is in my book, so you have to learn them to read well.
So I'll tell you what. You sing the song, and then you can get back to the book.
Oh boy. Okay, here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'd like to get back to reading my book.
Not until you finish the song.
Oh. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. I really want to read my book.
Not until you finish the song.
Now, Q, R, S, T, U. Now I think you're being a little unreasonable here. I just want to...
You're almost done with the song.
Ow. T, U, V, W, X. Why can't I please read my book?
Song first.
Oh, all right. Z. Now can I have my book? I can't wait to get back to Treasure Island.
Aye, matey.
Oh,